I say let's try to have the floor done before the guys come back.
Ooh. It's gonna be hard, man. Last week at the Fed, we finished up our kitchen cabinets and showed off our new quartz countertops, with the exception of a few missing pieces. This week, we're laying the kitchen floor, wrapping up some details, and celebrating some exciting news.
Do you want to tell us what you're doing?
I'm finding the exact center of the door. We know we want this tile to be exactly centered. Every other tile in the kitchen is laid out based on this being perfectly centered. What we do is we spread this stuff on the floor, then we let this stuff sit for 30 minutes.
So it's going to soak in and then mostly dry before we put the tiles down.
Right. I don't know if this stuff works the same way as some of the stuff I saw online or not, but some of them dry clear, so any marks we put on the floor, you can actually see through the glue.
You're like hipster worker right now. Look at you.
Woo! Kind of just smells like paint, but not super bad. Interesting.
All of the glue is down at this point. Most of it's soaked in. You can see over there it's a little bit more wet.
It's not so much that it soaks in, so much as it dries partially clear.
Right. So here in another few minutes, we're going to start laying the tile. And we're going to start right here. And we have our first few marked out. You can see our lines. And then that's the center line that we're working from. I've already managed to step in the glue, in case you were wondering. It's amazing though how it just kind of seeps in and leaves this haze. Except for that. I'm not sure what that is.
It's looking good so far.
Mm-hmm. I think it looks great, and it goes down pretty easy.
Yeah.
So,
all right.
Two good things. it feels weird being in this house without shoes.
Yeah, you're kind of right.
I feel slightly grossed out everywhere I go.
The house might hear you, Laura.
I'm sorry, house. It's not you, it's the dirt.
It's not you, it's me.
We're down to the very last piece. Brian's working on it over here. It is.
It only took us till midnight.
It's 11:59. Got 1 minute.
It's not gonna happen.
Not with that attitude.
It's definitely not gonna happen with you like standing there with the camera like, you better get it done in 1 minute!
Things are getting weird.
I definitely wouldn't do well on one of those cooking shows where you have to like make a
With time
thing.
restraint.
Yeah, with time restraints.
You
like,
wouldn't do
I can't
really
cook
well at
anyway.
anything with a time restraint.
No. I'm too like meticulous.
I think the flooring looks great so far. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. And most importantly, labor was free. Although in retrospect, I would really consider hiring this out.
Just so close.
So, countertops are done, flooring's done. I'm just touching up the woodwork in here, and then we can finally move our refrigerator back into place.
I may need your help actually. It's
To get it over that grate?
yeah. I have to like tilt and slide to get it over the grate.
Okay. Alright, let me set this down.
No. Ooh. I tried passing through it. Yeah.
Plate cover.
Plate cover, and I need to get that screw out.
If this refrigerator somehow didn't fit, I'd lose my mind.
Okay, it's plugged in. I'll make sure it's on. I might not have that circuit on.
Yay! I think it's gonna have to be pulled out slightly for the doors to be able to open. Is it hitting the countertop?
Yeah. Which, should be okay. Gotta load up the car and get rid of some tile.
I've changed my mind too many times. So these all have to be returned. So all of this is getting returned and all of this.
Yikes.
Do you want to help me load it?
I don't want to help you load it, but I guess I will.
Woo, buddy, that's a lot.
Wonder how much money is wrapped up in this. I'm gonna feel rich at the end of the day. Just hope I'm not riding real well. Yeah, we got space. Where are we going, Pete? Where are we going? Where are we going?
Are we going to your has no idea where we're going. So we're going to one of our favorite local grocery stores. We have 2 things we got to pick up.
One of the things we're picking up is a pie, because today's pie day.
The second thing's a surprise.
You'll see when we get there.
Hopefully. Hopefully they're not sold out.
Yeah.
I don't think they're going to be. That'd be kind of ridiculous in this day and age.
Yeah. It would be strange.
Alright, this is what we came for. Brownie cheese, Boston cream, peanut butter silk pie. That's what you're. Lemon meringue.
Ooh, lemon meringue sounds good.
Oh, or the cherry cheesecake. All of them sound good. Which one sounds good to you?
They all sound good to me too. We went with the peanut butter silk pie. And the other thing that we're getting today is a newspaper.
Well, we'll buy this one. Get out of the box. I don't know my way around the paper, that's for sure. Would it be Life and Arts?
I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah. Ooh, there it is.
Local couple attracts YouTube following as Dayton's fixer-uppers.
All right.
We made it into the newspaper.